Hi, this is Dr. Fryer. Today is February the 20th, 2024, and in this video, I'd like to show you how you can create a banner for your website, a banner image with Canva. Canva.com is really fantastic. They have an app that you can use also, and I'm just going to show you how to use the web version. And it's just really one of my favorite now ways to create images. So what I'm going to do is switch over to the Chrome browser and show you what I'm doing. This is an example of a banner for the music page that I created last semester for Claude's portfolio. Claude was my sample student, and so you can see that this particular image on the home page has a taco on one side and sort of a taco person there on the other. And then on this music page, there's actually some animation that's here, but there's also text and there's images. If I go to my About Me, this page doesn't have an image. This is something that you don't have to have on every page, but it is kind of nice to do. And that's what I'm going to show you how to create. So here on my portfolio for this year, my name is Tequavion. I have a image here on the top. Notice that it's a rectangle and the pixel dimensions are important. This is actually 2000 pixels wide by 400 pixels tall, and that gives it that rectangular shape. That's going to be important, and we're going to go ahead and create that for the music page, which, as you can see, does not have an image. So what I'm going to do is go to canva.com, and I'm going to just be on the home page. When you're in Canva and you've created something, you can click over to projects, and you can see the different pages that you've done. I can open this up. You can see this is one that I did for my Wonderlinks, but I'm going to just go ahead and go back to the home page, clicking on the Canva image, and then in the upper right corner, there's a button here that says custom size. And that's where I'm going to put in the dimensions that I want. So in this case, I'm going to say 2000 pixels by 400 pixels, and I'm going to go ahead and create the design. So for a basic banner, I want some text and some images. So I'm going to click over on the left by text and click to add a heading. And I'm going to say, this is to Quavion's music. And after I type that, I can go to the corner and stretch it out. And if I wanted to, I could put a line break here and I could, center this. There are some guides that'll help me get exactly in the right, in the center of this. I want this text to be a little bit larger, so I'm going to leave it all on one line, but I'm going to go ahead and stretch it out a little bit. And I'm going to wait a second before I get the colors for this, because I'm going to put some images just on the left and the right side. So I'm going to click over to Elements inside Canva, and I'm going to search for music. And there's graphics, photos, and videos. I'm going to go ahead and choose graphics, and then I'm going to scroll down. I like this graphic, and so I'm going to drag this out. I can resize this to make this bigger, to just kind of go over here on the side. And let's see what else I can get. I guess I'll go ahead and just get some musical notes here. So these images are free because I am a teacher and I have registered with canva.com using my educator account. One of the things that's kind of cool is you can select text, and when you go up to choose the colors, instead of choosing default colors, you can actually add a color to your color palette, and there is an eyedropper. And I can go over here on my eyedropper and I can select exactly the color that I want. So I'm going to match one of the red colors that's there in this graphic over to the right. I'll do that again. I'm going to add a color. I'm going to click on the eyedropper, and then I'm going to go over and choose exactly the color that I want. And anyway, that's kind of cool sometimes, so that it matches. So now I have some images, I have some text, I've got my banner, I'm ready to save it. So I will go up to the upper right corner and click share. I'm going to go down to where it says download, because I don't want to just copy the link. I want to actually download this image, and I will leave it as a PNG. Either the JPEG or the PNG options are the best usually for a web page. However, if you have some animation in here, you're going to want to choose GIF, GIF, which is sometimes pronounced GIF. But be careful, don't put too many in, because that can make your image large and then it will load slowly. So I will leave it at PNG, click download, and it may take a second or so, and it's going to download that picture into my downloads folder. So now when I go back to my portfolio here, really important, I'm not going to click image and upload the image here. That would put the image as the background for this, and that's not what I want. I'm going to go to the right and click images and choose upload. And so now I'll make sure I'm in my downloads folder, and there it is. If I don't see it, I may need to sort by the date added. Make sure that you are in the list view. This is the icon view. I like to be in the list view, and I like to sort by date added. That way the most recent thing that I have added shows up there. And you can see that this picture comes in, but it's kind of small. So I'm going to drag it so that it stretches all the way across, but I can't see the entire thing. I need to click the second button here, which is the uncrop button. When you click uncrop, it makes the aspect ratio of the image correct, and the entire thing will display. But then I also need to get it up to the top. So I'm going to use my handle that is here on the left. I'm going to click and drag and move my image up here, but then I need to delete this, and so I can delete this trash can. Don't worry, this is just the header. It's not going to delete all of my navigation links and my title there, and so it just leaves my banner image here at the top. So I'll go ahead in Google Sites now and click publish twice, publish, publish. And so now that is going to publish to the web so that everyone can see it. And in order to not have the edit link, but to have the public share link, I will click on the little arrow here and choose view published site. And now I am seeing my music page that has all the videos that I put on, and it's got my banner there at the top. So those are the steps for how you can create a banner image using Canva. Canva really is a fantastic tool, and I encourage you to check it out and see what else you can do with Canva, because it is really a fantastic tool for creating images, image collages, and like we said, images for our website that we're doing with our digital portfolio. You can learn more if you'd like on my lessons website, which is lessons.wesfryer.com. Thanks for watching.